God. Okay.
Good evening. How are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking me. So, what about you? How was your day so far?
Also, I want to know something about you. Introduce yourself.
Hmm. I'm unable to hear you properly.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
Okay, okay, great. Okay, so as you know, my name is Sarvesh Kumar and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, so I have done my graduation and after that, I am preparing for government job as well. I am learning English language. And if I talk about my hobby, so I have a just only one hobby. Now you can see this is my new hobby, just talking to people in English language.
Right.
Sorry, go ahead.
Okay. Well, how many time do you spend on this application? How many session do you do every day on this application?
Sorry for this, but I'm unable to hear you properly.
I am asking that how many conversation do you do on this application?
Today,
No, every day. How many conversation do you do on this application?
if I talk about truth, I sent message since morning, but no one replied me. Just and I got upset. And if I noon time, and after noon I sent message again. No one replied me. And I got upset. Just I then I started scrolling short video. Just I enjoyed a lot, and I was watching short video like funny video. And after if I talk about evening time, so I went outside near the Ganga. Like Mahakumbh is going on, so people they have started come here in Prayagraj city. So you know everything about it is a religious as well educational place. So almost if I talk about students, so they go to daily in evening time just for their enjoy. But and we enjoy a lot of it just because near the Ganga, almost like if I talk about every state or you can say another country people they have started coming here. You can say yeah. So they are coming. You can say they have started. And what did you ask me? And
Okay,
I for, I forgot.
is near to your home.
1 kilometer far from here, near the Ganga.
Okay. So, today, do you have any topic? Do you have any question? If you have, then you can ask me.
I know your English is quite well, so if you don't mind, so uh, 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 and just I wanted to ask you that how did you achieve like this fluency? Because before 1 week I had a conversation with you, so that time you were speaking quite well, like quite rare for me, and I know, so that's why I'm just asking you like this question. So please, can you tell me how did you achieve this like this fluency?
Yeah, definitely. But before this, I want to tell you that whatever I have learned, I am not satisfied still right
Okay.
now. I want to improve more and more, and I have to do something enormous in my life. And if I talk about how did I improve myself, so first of all, I had curiosity to learn English. And I want to tell you this is a real incident. Like while washing utensil, while doing homework, while doing any chores work, I used to watch this stream that, and in a day, not at this, like not while sleeping, in a day, that I am speaking in English language and everyone is appreciating me, and the students are clapping me. Then I thought, like, this, this was bothering me a lot and a lot. Then I thought, no, I have to do, I can do. Then I started searching, I started searching the ways so that I could become fluent. Then I started getting advertisement of one application that is Joseph Skill. I'm like so many times. Then I thought, oh my God, I'm getting a lot of advertisement of this application. Let me use it. So I used that application. Means like Josh is still provides us 2 day trial. So I tried. So I liked that. So I started using, and from there my English journey started. And then I started reading books and speaking with people and watching cartoon. And like after watching, I used to make sentences by ourselves at the front of mirror too. Like this, I improved a lot and a lot within 1 month. Like maybe those who will watch this video, they will not believe that you have improved. 1 month I started thinking in English because every time like washing laundry, while cooking, while helping my mother, while doing homework, I used to talk. I am doing homework here, and I was just speaking with my sisters, actually, what are you doing? Where are you going? Will you do this, that? While going to a school, about like I used to watch my surrounding thing, and I used to make sentence. And while sitting alone in the class, I used to make sentences in English, and this hard work helped me a lot. And within 1 month, I improved a lot. And if you want to become fluent in English, so what you have to do, you require two things according to me: consistency and curiosity. If you have these two things, you can achieve anything. And do hard work. God will support you definitely. I believe this personally. So
Yeah, that sounds quite good for me. You're absolutely right. Consistency as well, curiosity, or you can say willingness or desire, like this. Okay, great. So, and I just 1 month. Oh my God, you have a good fluency just before within a 1 month.
no, I started thinking. I was not thinking in English language. I had a lot of grammatical mistakes. So I overcome from all that problem within 1 month. And I had like a head throat as well. Means I had some problem in my neck too, because I had to prepare for my exam. I had to prepare for my 26th January. I was speaking in English, so I was speaking too much. Means I used to speak whole day. So if you speak whole day with consistency, relentless, so it will definitely impact on your neck. So I like it impacted. But yeah, I'm so happy with it because hard work helped me, and people are supporting me, people are appreciating me, so I'm so happy.
But if I talk about initial time, like you can say uh, beginning time, when we start our conversation, so that time you told me that I'm not satisfied my English.
Yeah,
Or not.
because I am like right now people are supporting me, but still right now I am from middle class family, and sometimes my mother she face some problem, means like you can understand. So at that time, I have to, no, Rupa, you are not doing anything. You have to do something. So I feel that I right now means I am nothing. I have to do something. So that is why I have not achieved anything in my life. But like when do people support me? So I feel I have achieved, but like sometimes I feel I have achieved, sometimes I feel like when I
No,
see situation, I
you
feel I haven't achieved anything.
no, you have a good knowledge, and I think while preparing for your government job, you can teach somewhere, or like you can teach on your home, at your home, maybe if you have, if possible, then you can. Because if I talk about, on this group, almost people, they are doing a lot of things. Just they are a teacher as well. They are learning in language, and they have a lot of responsibility as well. They are doing hard work nowadays. So I'm also thinking I should teach somewhere, or you can say I will do something just for my extra vision. And I'm 25-year-old boy, and I still I'm taking for money from my parents. So and I'm not doing anything. Just I before before. 6 months I was preparing for government job like a UP PCSJ. But now still I'm preparing for government lawyer. But if I talk about like UP PCSJ, so I got depressed. I got upset. Well, just because I had given more than 5 exams, okay, including all of those. Like competition and IOG level. Then I got upset and just I was becoming overthinker more and more. You can see my whole cheek or my whole body. I was looking like just I was looking like a ugly boy. But nowadays I'm looking good. But before like a 6 month, oh my god, my health was not good. Then I got sick. Then I went at my home. Then you can say I got treatment, like and I got admitted 1 month just because I had a sick and I had a problem, and so that's why my father, all family members, they said like, don't do like this thing, and go and whatever you want. So that's why nowadays I'm living. Just you can say before 8 months or 9 months, I have started my English journey, and I think you know everything about me because we had a conversation more than 5 or 6 times, audio or both video, both.
So, like, people is time.
Sorry, but I'm unable to hear you properly.
Okay, I'm going to prepare for my exam. So it was really nice conversation with you. I
Oh
hope
my god. Why did you do like this thing? That time you did like the same thing. Like just you don't have much time.
no, and tomorrow I have to do all for my medicine. So like tomorrow I will take time.
Okay, okay.
I did a meditation yesterday, 10 minutes, just 10 minutes already.
I can.
And if I not go to this, it's me.